There are times that we definitely want to use images, but we are, of course, restricted by copyright issues. There are some websites from where you can use images which are, under Creative Commons. So some of these are like Wikimedia Commons. So you just have to go to this particular website, and here you can get a range of images. So let's see. Again, I want to search for computers. Click on it, and here you can see lots of images that relate to computers. Okay, now here it is trying to actually search for the keyword in these places. Okay, and let's say computer hardware or computer diagrams. Yeah, so now it is talking about computer components. So maybe I want to talk about this chip. I just have to download this image and I'm ready to go. Then another website we have already talked about pixels in Unsplash. So let's go to Unsplash. This is a very commonly used website. So when I go to it, again you have range of images that you can search for. So let's say I want to search for some images related to Buddha. You get lots of images. Then let's say something related to history. So it shows me lots of images. Let's say Indian monuments. Okay, so here you have lots of images. Let's say I want to download this. What you just need to do is click over here, click on download, and that's it. You get the image. Then next you have Creative Commons search. This is one of the very common websites used. Creative Commons search. You go to this website. Again, you just have to search for the content that you want to search for, and that's it. It will give you lots of images that relate to you. So let's say I want to search for keyboard. So it gives me lots of images that relate to it. You just have to click on it, and here you can also decide by the particular license that you want the image to pertain to. You just have to click on it, and then you will be allowed to download this particular image. Also, it gives you the option of copying it as rich text, HTML, or plain text. So these are some websites that you can readily use for downloading visuals, images, graphics, and of course, websites like Canva, Prezi allow you to also create visuals, images, posters, brochures, and diagrams, charts. So they can readily help you in that aspect. Okay, now we talk about infographics. So, what is an infographic? It is now very commonly used and, in fact, very useful because it really is makes the concept very understandable. So, it is basically representation of information in a graphic format. So, through an image or in a graphical way, you try to present the content that you want to deliver. So, let's look at some advantages. First, it simplifies the presentation of large amounts of data. So, if you have lots of information to portray, you just pick up focused points and you present that through a graphic. Makes the data easily understandable. So, it's easier to infer it visually. Enables visualizing data patterns and relationships. Of course, our visual information stays in our mind, so it's easier to analyze patterns and understand the data